Hey viewers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you around Karu Waterfall, which is about 15 minutes drive from Asokoro. So you thumbs up for this video if you actually love to see more of these recreational sites and natural places where you can actually relax or go on just on short vacations with friends or family. Alright guys, so here at the site you can actually see some mountains around and also buildings. You can come here for hiking and probably just to chill or rest. It's very close to the settlement, that's Karu Estate, which is just like 3 minutes walk down to this point where I am. So I'm still walking down to the waterfall. Water is coming from one rock from all the electric one village called Poloko. Poloko? Yeah, that's where water is coming from. How many minutes is it from here to the Poloko? It takes you like, let me say, 20 minutes from here to the back. Or one leg, I don't need for that. Okay. Alright viewers, thank you. This is my new friend. I actually met him here and it's actually fun to be here. You might want to visit our waterfall someday. As he said, that the water here originates from one town called Poloko. So maybe sometime I could also trace that rock, where that water comes from. Thank you very much. So enjoy the sight and the view. Alright. Thank you. So you can see around, people are also here for... Go on. Alright viewers, this is another friend. We actually met here and we are here to enjoy the waters too. It's so natural, so fresh here, and also the trees and the serenity. So probably he too can tell us a little bit about Karu Waterfall, since I'm a tourist and I just came here to discover this place. So, wow.
Okay, nice meeting everyone here. My name is Lloyd, mostly from Ikedos. I do come down here to play chess most often because my house is just behind the road here. I thought about making this place a park, because this place is a wonderful place where people just come out here, they can chill out, burn out, do whatever they want to do, get time for themselves. However, I'm calling out on all the youth, let's take this thing as a project out here.
So do you know the origin of the water? Because someone said it's from Opokoro.
For real, this water doesn't have origin. It's coming all the way from, because I've trekked down from here down to Abu looking for where this water is coming from, but I still keep going.
Okay.
Like for real.
So viewers, like you can hear him say, Lloyd said he do come here to play chess, and he stays around here. So sometimes I feel too, because I actually met some persons here who came for picnic, though I didn't take a video of them. So thank you very much.
Apa ma drawing. Okay. Big.
Okay. Alright guys, we've seen it all. I'm still at the waterfall here. There are different places where the water drops from the rock over 5 places. And it's absolutely nice. I think I like the serenity of this environment of this place, but I can't say for sure if this place is too safe for individuals to come away. Probably except you're coming as a hiking group or you're coming with more than 4 or 5 friends to this place. So,
Okay. It's a lake in Nigeria. It's in wow, the rocks here are so good, nice. Something with refreshment. Okay. Yeah, I'm watching. I have grips on it.
I go. Alright, if you actually enjoyed the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be seeing more of these. Thank you very much.